After like 20 minutes waiting for the stupid thing to update, we're finally in. Jesus Christ. I'm so tired. I'm sick and tired of everything right now because Marvel Rivals pissed me the hell off. So I guess we're gonna go in and hope for the best. I don't care. We're just gonna skip. I mean, I've seen it all, but I just want to go against the gameplay right now.
I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Clark, will be your host. Yes, folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting
Why is it so quiet?
and ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see.
Let's
He is
go.
meeting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Bella with Ratchet, a restless eagle, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued an defective warbot, and the rest is intergalactic history.
Jump, ground pound, or hammer slam, whatever. Red slam, get him.
And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who could forget the
Let's go.
invasion of Kurwa? Show the crowd some of those world-class
Now we got a gun,
skills.
but now we gotta get more crates.
Grab some ammo, of course.
Where's the ammo box? Oh yeah. Now go, pew pew pew.
The Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of? You got sweet bounty on your head, Wombat.
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Cool. I'm curious to see if this is doable wrench only, but I don't really
Someone
want to
put
do
a
that.
bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Let's get him then.
Activating Magna Boots!
Cool.
Come on, let's keep this show going. Catch a ride. So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I
Yeah.
would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
I feel like this was more intuitive than this. Which makes it weird. I don't know. Everything seems off right now. Come on, get him. Yeah.
Heroes vanquishing the enemy. Now, he must walk the dangerous fight of doom.
Well, let's get him then, huh? Oh, jeez.
Again with the biting, nice and emotional monologue prepared for this one.
Excuse me. Coming through. Literally on 1 health. Pew pews go to pistols.
Let's take out that dropship and end this.
Let's do it then.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
A mysterious gift indeed, but we're going to skip it because it doesn't matter.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious.
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Come on. Yep, yo. Let's go.
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on. It looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Yes, Mrs. Zircon. Give me the funny weapons. They're both really good and
Mrs.
super
Zircon
funny.
was betting.
More goons incoming.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Goons incoming.
More goons incoming. Come on. Come on.
One more to go. Train's pulling away. Let's go.
Well, let's not do the train thing and let's get all this stuff here. So hopefully we can get another Mrs. Zircon upgrade.
Somewhere.
Yeah, they just barely
Mrs.
don't push.
Zircon has many fine options for you.
They just barely don't put enough in, and it's so annoying. Hello,
Put down the Dimensionator,
Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye.
Uh-oh.
What did you do?
That's really not good.
What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot. There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Well, once I go over, there's no way to go back, which means we can't get the. I hate this game. It's like, what are the other? You can't have both.
Yeah, this is definitely gonna come in handy. Seen that coming. I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Come on, man. Ow. Why does it only deal like one damage? Yeah.
Whoa! Watch your head.
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
Sand sharks. Why are they always the sand sharks? Gotta evolve even further beyond. Oh.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Nefarious's ship. We've got to find a way up there.
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first? Our ride's here.
Ay, ay.
Next stop, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
Ah.
What is that?
Right, now we buy the scatter bomb, the shatter bomb, and shatter bomb is where things get fun. We get go boom.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
All right.
Boom, 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 bang.
More butts.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal.
All right.
Goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity. Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses. Did that hurt? Good. Toads are so unpleasant.
Come on. I ain't got all day.
Oh dear, he is targeting us.
Take that, Nefarious.
Yes, run from me.
Boom, boom. What the frick?
These goons are useless. Is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity leave. Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses. Toads are so unpleasant.
Come on then. What do you mean it's out of ammo?
Take that, Nefarious.
Oh dear, he is targeting us. His defenses are weakening. Yes, run from me. Boys, where did Nefarious find these? Today my ultimate plan will come to fruition. Something will something.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time.
Got it.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels. The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Time to do the Rift Between Dimensions part of Rift Between Dimensions. Wait, Rifts Apart part of... Whatever.
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
Beats me.
To the depths! How many arms you got?
Clank?
What manner of trickery? Get off me, ship! Oh, great!
Ow. Cool. We lost. We are losers. No. Whatever are we going to do as losers?
Ratchet?
And I just want to blow things up.
Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him.
Are being overthrown by the Lombexes. It's time to do it again.
Please let there be good news behind here.
No, of course not.
Welcome to the nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Oh, he most definitely is not.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order?
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
Alright, how do I get up there? Is a very good question.
Dr. Nefarious? So what happened to the real Emperor?
You want to bring the party to every fine?
Mr. Fun Guy.
is the weapon for you.
Well, I don't want that.
Welcome, sugar. Feel free to browse.
Gotta keep going. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank. Oh, great. That sounds like a club, all right.
Human-ish beings are not allowed through.
Come on, Phantom, where are you? Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom? Is there a Phantom around here?
Yeesh.
Resistance alert.
Resistance alert.
Better take care of these
Resistance
guys or they'll
alert.
go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a.
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were.
No names. You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Ow. Jesus. Geezerus.
Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were.
No names. You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Come on, Dan. Oh, come on! AI.
Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were.
No names. You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Yeah, I just want to go home. This place is so much cooler.
We cannot help you. The resistance. We run the club.
No.
But you cannot be here.
Boom! Go boom, boom, boom. We go wowie. Yeesh. Ow!
Okay, that hurt.
I assume you didn't mean to do
Get out of here. Stupid bots.
I could use some nanotech.
And Clanker was never supposed to be like a slur though.
Will you
Like it was
please
supposed to be like
stop
a
running? Is this some kind of
like a
test?
joking
It is,
insult
isn't it?
from the clones to the
Hey, wait.
and the battle droids.
There he is. The football from the club.
Oh boy. All him. Kill this Phantom. You just get to safety.
Another resistance number.
What? The resistance never quits?
Consider that a warning.
Now where'd you go?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
What doesn't temporarily exist? Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest. Don't be
Meow.
scared. along those paths? You want to go even further? Jump, Phantom Dash.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe. Stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
You know what they say, Happy Emperor.
Happy Emerald? Yeah. You know what they say? Happy Emerald. Oh! Yeah, everyone says that. Everyone. For sure. For sure.
The target has a long-range weapon.
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the room? You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
Okay.
You are getting it. See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape. That one is just begging for an upgrade. Make sure to tell
Thanks
your
again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
How do I get up there?
Seriously? We gotta come back sometime.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
He says when we're on hard mode.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of the truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. Resistance, growing collective citizens, sick and tired of diabolical dictatorship.
Violence is against our rules unless we're doing it to you. And it's completely fine and justified. still got it.
It is time for you to give up, Trouble. Explosives inbound.
Except for he doesn't. Hard boss fight. Oh wow, that hurts me. Uh-oh.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The resistance is a growing collection of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
Oh. Here it is. Why use the weapons of mass destruction when you can just whack them with the hammer? Or wrench, whatever.
I hope you enjoy this traveling as much as I do.
Come on, then.
You know what? Forget the code. Actions speak louder than words.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to draw? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here?
I don't know, but it's quite bizarre.
All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Hey, Sugar! I forgot to mention earlier. I hit a spy bot in the factory for our resistance. Need a beam that will not quit? Check out the Negatron Collider to tear through whatever you put in front of it.
Yeah.
Shoplifting is not permitted.
Time to blow them all up.
Zircon, make you a deal.
that statue again?
Would it be over by the statue spot?
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Cutting in line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
This will quash your pathetic rebellion.
What the yikes? Yikes! Yikes!
And now time to bomb them.
Wow. Oh no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die.
Oh, frick, where did my other ammo go?
Ouch! Not again! At least it was a round trip.
You will.
Come on!
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can. Bye, rebel.
Oops. Keep loading on me. What the frick?
Yikes! Yikes!
What the hell, man?
Wow. Oh no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die.
Had about enough of you. Not again! At least it was a round trip. Come on!
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
Almost like we don't want to be destroyed as fast as possible. Crazy idea.
There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console.
Oh my god.
Hey, sugar! I forgot to mention. Take your time, sweetie.
Got to mention what?
Access console. Access console. Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Maybe we'll say something.
Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set. There are viruses here? I don't have the training for this. Electro guns, please don't.
I don't have the thing this
What's with the capsule? Did a virus make that? Some worms are coming out of that pod? Oh, no, 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 no,
That's all, folks.
Anyway, looks like the computer is set online.
The moo.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
In about 2 hours.
Death traps. Warp bombs. 5 planet-destroying cannons. And a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator
like
still worked.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
I'm coming, Clank. No, 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 no!
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
Bring me that lumber!
Best joke. It's like, password? Why would I need a password? I'm the Emperor. I'd much rather destroy you instead.
So then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! Wait! Under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out.
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Not looking, that's what.
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
I think we're gonna call it a night. Turn off B-side. Good night.